Hey, welcome back, my fellow investors. This is me, ET, and remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a self-taught investor who likes to talk about great companies and ways to increase your net worth. In today's video, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at last week's performance of my cryptocurrency. Last week, the 30th of July, was the end week for my 3-month experiment with crypto investing. Primarily, I'm looking at the Humbl Financial ETXs, but I also have some other exchanges that I want to look at as well. So what we're going to do today is we're going to look over last week's performance. And at the very end of the video, I'll just kind of give you some insight into where I'm going next when it comes to crypto investing. So let's do it. Let's get to it. Week ending July 30th, 2021. This is the last week for my 3-month cryptocurrency experiment. Let's take a look at last week's performance and the overall performance. All right, with the Humbl Financial ETX, I'm in block 3, I'm in block 5, and this was initially $1,000 overall investment. And as you can see, my cost basis for block 3 is $331.59, and my cost basis for block 5 is $662.88. That doesn't add up to $1,000. I think it's about $5 and some odd cents short. So that was evidently the fees for transactions fees. But as of the close of Friday, the 30th of July, block 3, I am down 24%, and in block 5, I am down 19%. It is much improved over last week, but I think that's just really indicative of the overall crypto sector. In block 3, this is the composition for block 3. 50% Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Portfolio composition for block 5. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Chainlink, and Cardano. What you're going to find out with these, the index portions are products of Humbl Financial. You have 3. You have block 3, 5, and 10. And the number represents the number of assets that they have in each one of those products. So block 3, you're going to have 3 assets, in block 5, 5, and in block 10, 10. So this here is the composition for block 5. I didn't get involved with block 10 because at the time, block 10 was selling, actually, just to get into it, was selling over $1,000. So I had to concentrate on block 3 and block 5. Here is a week-by-week performance of my Humbl Financial ETX block 3 and block 5. Like I said, I started off with an initial $1,000, and as you can see, the current value is total current value is $784.54. Overall, I am down 22%. But if you look at the week-to-week chart, you can see that for the last 2 weeks, we are actually been increasing. Everything's on a upward incline. So and that's overall indicative of the overall crypto sector. So let's take a look at how we're doing in some of the other platforms. This here is my Coinbase platform. I have $2,000 invested there. 1,000 of that is actually part of the Humbl, and then I have an additional $1,000 outside of the Humbl ETX. But overall, that $2,000 investment now is worth $1,445.78. In my Coinbase Pro platform, I am down a total of 28%. I have those assets that we talked about in the Humbl ETX, and I went out and bought some additional Cardano and Tesos. Here's the cryptocurrency that I have in RobinHood. As you can see, I have Dogecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. There, my initial investment was 3,200. The current value is 2734.04. I am down 15%. Let's take a look at the overall profit and loss on my crypto investment. Total investments in cryptocurrency is 5,200 bucks, and the current value is 4179.82, which is a loss of $1,020.18, and my return on investment is a negative loss of 20%. But once again, that number is starting to improve, and that is a reflection of what's going on right now within the crypto market. Overall, down 20%, but if you notice, it looks like the overall trend, we're starting to see an uptrend. And I think that's, once again, is just a reflection of what's going on in the crypto sector. And so what I'm going to do is I am going to do a deep dive into the performance, the platforms, and the actual different products, and see exactly and kind of map out how I'm going to move forward. I believe that crypto, some form of crypto, whether it's the actual currency, whether it's the blockchain, or anything that related to cryptocurrency, needs to be a staple of everyone's investment. I know I'm going to make it a staple of mine. I just need to figure out, okay, exactly which platforms I'm going to use and which products am I going to invest in. I'm going to be honest with you right now, and you guys know I am definitely a stakeholder and a fan and a proponent of Humbl, but overall, I'm not really impressed with that ETX products right now. So I'll figure out exactly what I want to do with that. With those products and that particular platform, and I'll definitely let you guys know on the very next video. So I don't know with that. However, I definitely know that I will continue to invest. It's just a matter of which platforms. I'm also looking into possibly utilizing Webull as well. So, hey, on my next video, I'm going to give you the results of my deep dive when it comes to products, performance, and okay, which route that I'm going to go with my crypto investing. And I'll be honest with you when it comes to my overall decision when it comes to the Humbl financial ETXs. Like I said right now, it doesn't look good. I don't think I will continue on with that. I just don't see the benefits, but let me just kind of let the smoke clear just for a couple of days, do a deep dive and figure out whether or not it's worth it. I understand that, you know, it's what's going on performance wise is a reflection of the market. But, you know, anytime you look at paying a monthly fee for a service, you want to make sure that it has some type of value. And I don't know about the value of those ETXs and paying $4.99 a month, even though it's a small amount of money. So we'll see. So with that being said, guys, I will see you on the very next updated video to give you the bottom line when it comes to my way forward when it comes to crypto investing. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.